Hi guys, happy Tuesday. So this is Arlen Donaldson again, and this house, we worked so hard for this, and now it's ready for in the market. But before I do that, I'll tour you around. I decorate for this house, and let's go get in. Very simple lang siya. Hindi mo kailangan ng maraming kung ano-ano. So, this is the foyer when you get in. This house is gonna be live for Airbnb or for long term. If you guys ready, but it's a fully furnished. We work hard for this. It's ready for, see, we do even change. This is the table. We change the cover for the chairs. So, it like 95% finished already. See, I'm waiting for the bed there, but everything looks good now. So let's go to the master. This is the master. Super cozy and right, simple only. And so you guys have idea what is this. Super nice, right? This is the master bath. Master 2. And if you are looking for a house here in North Dallas, see, it's pretty. North Dallas area. Give me a call. I love to guide you or chat with you and guide you with your buying. Or if you're thinking to sell your house, this is the kitchen. Super beautiful one, right? And now, this is a 3-bedroom. Let's go to the room so you will see how pretty it is. So this is the second room. It's beautiful. Beautifully made by your trolley. Ako ang nag-design. And this is the bathroom. Second bathroom with the tub. And this is the next one. So, there's the next one with washer and dryer available. So, it's really a good one. A fully furnished house. Looks what I did. And Patrick did that one too, my husband. So, it's really nice house. If you are looking for a fully furnished home, this is available on August 1st. So we have more things to do to make it really ready, like lalagyanan ng TV, but everything looks amazing already, right? So call me if you're thinking to buy a house, sell a house this summertime. It's the best time for you guys to get a lower price for the house and get your house sold as well. So from here I took a video. So it's super clean, nice house. 3-bedroom, 2 bath, super simple house, and ready for occupancy. Call me if you're looking to buy in Aubrey, McKinney, Frisco area, Prosper, and I love to chat with you. So thank you.